Hello, it's Unisys Vlogs. Let's watch this.
Hi guys, it's me Unisys Salas at for today's live ang gagawin natin is magre-react ulit tayo sa nag-iisang Asia's Phoenix Morissette Amon at ngayon ay may makakasama tayong nag-iisang napaka-cute na aking partner na si Franz Russell Constantino. At ngayon, sisimulan na natin yan in 3, 2, 1. Sinama ko siya guys kasi favorite niya talaga yan.
Those times I felt a happiness with you, even though you never felt the same way too. It's not that I didn't know what you felt in your heart, 'cause I felt it too. Letting go, letting you leave it all behind is something I'll never get used to, and it hurts to know that you may never look my way again. Why didn't you tell me what held you back? Did you ever think of everything I feel? You fell for me and said I had your heart, but you just let me fall, never tried to catch me at all. Should I hate you and try to just forget? Should I blame myself and live with this regret? If I could only do it all again, I would turn back time. Back when I was yours and you were still mine.
Ayan guys, pinutol ko muna kasi napakaganda talaga niya sobrang. Saka nakakakuha siya ng emosyon ng tao. Ikaw, anong may masasabi ka ba?
Wala, ayun na. Sobrang galing kasi niya. Hindi, siya kapag siya favorite ko kasi yung Resignation. Kasi the way kasi nakantahin niya. Alam mo yung unang words pa lang nalalabas doon sa kanta niya is kuwang-kuha na kagad niya yung loob mo eh. Which is parang, gusto ko na umiyak agad.
Kaya guys, continue natin guys.
Sana'y narinig sa iyong labi, di ganun na iyong nadarama sa'kin. Hinayaan mo pusong nahuhulog at nasasaktan na nga ngayon. May magagawa pa ba? Malilipot pa bang mga sakit? Nagkulang ba? Di nadama ba
Kasi the way, yung close up niya, talagang kala mo talagang iiyak na siya.
So, ang nakakatuwa dyan, kahit 3 language na yung gamit niya, ramdam na ramdam mo pa rin yung lyrics.
Hindi ka marunong mag-Korea, pero Diyos ko dahil.
Mararamdaman mo talaga kahit Korean language yung kakanta.
Hindi mo ramdam, pero alam mo yung kinakanta. So yun guys.
Tapos na ating reaction video sa nag-iisang Asia's Phoenix Morissette Amon, at ang kantang niyan is Resignation guys. Napakaganda, napaka-solid. Ayan, kung ano masasabi ng aking party niya.
Ayun, masasabi ko lang is sobrang iconic niya talaga sa lahat ng kanta niya. Ito yung the best. Pero syempre meron din ako favorite yung ano niya, yung Akin Ka Na Lang.
Akin Ka Na Lang.
Yung unang video, ayun, naging favorite ko yun. Ayun, siya, pang ano yan. Pero ayun yung number 1 ko talaga.
Pati yung Gusto Ko Nang Bumitaw, napaka-solid din guys.
Ay,
Panoorin
next
nyo
natin
yun. Panoorin nyo yun. Pero guys, this next video namin is magre-react kami kasama siya ulit sa reaction video namin na Gusto Ko Nang Bumitaw ni ating Morissette Amon, Asia's Phoenix natin. Kaya guys, thank you for watching guys sa ating reaction video sa nag-iisang Asia's Phoenix. Kaya guys, please like
and subscribe.
Comment guys sa mga susunod pa na reaction na video na gusto nyong i-react natin. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.